Here is my new Nedis dehumidifier. When I turn it on, it seems like it's a diesel engine. Brand new. It makes all this noise just from the fan, and its compressor is not even running yet. And here is the noise it makes with the fan noise added the compressor noise, which is a little bit high as well. Well, I connected a hose to it because I wanted to get rid of the water and not be changing the bucket, the filling bucket. But it has some internal leaking, and you see here, even with the hose connected, it will leak some water to the bucket. So the hose is pretty much useless. Some water goes to the hose and some water goes to the bucket. So it's pretty much useless. I advise you not to buy it.